Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Audi S3 versus BMW 335i. Let's dive into their core performance. The Audi S3 typically boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, while the BMW 335i often features a more powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. Both deliver impressive horsepower, usually around 300, but their torque delivery and overall feel are quite distinct. We'll explore how these engine differences translate to real-world driving. Moving to handling, the Audi S3, with its standard all-wheel drive, delivers a very planted and agile feel, especially through corners. The BMW 335i, often featuring rear-wheel drive, offers a more traditional sports sedan experience with excellent balance and engaging dynamics. You'll notice distinct differences in steering feel and overall road feedback, catering to varied driving preferences. Both are fun, but in their own unique ways. Stepping inside, the Audi S3 presents a sleek, modern interior with a strong emphasis on technology and clean lines. In contrast, the BMW 335i often features a more driver-focused cockpit, blending luxury with intuitive controls. Both offer premium materials, but their infotainment systems and overall cabin aesthetics provide distinct user experiences. Consider which style best suits your daily commute and preferences. Finally, let's consider value. The initial purchase price and ongoing maintenance costs can differ between the S3 and 335i, impacting your overall budget. Resale value is also a key consideration for many buyers, influencing the long-term financial picture. Both cars offer compelling packages, but your ideal choice depends on your priorities for performance, luxury, and cost. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.